Friends, the other day I was at Tarapit and I was profusely enjoying the arati of Goddess Kali. While doing so, I realized the true essence of enjoyment. I enjoy having a cup of tea with my wife. I enjoy having dinner with my family. I enjoy watching a movie with them. I enjoy looking out of the window of my home and watching the lake, the mountains, and the greenery. I enjoy the rain. I enjoy teaching my students. I enjoy God's nature and nature of well-meaning individuals. I enjoy reading and listening to music, and I feel triumphant with every little thing I do. And so I enjoyed the arati, and the theme came to my mind. I thought of Amitabh Bachchan, who enjoys acting and performing. It shows, he glows, he knows that he is enjoying. Finally, he wins, he succeeds, and he is triumphant. Similarly, in brand sales, if the brand manager does not enjoy building his brand, he will not give his best. He will do well, but will he excel? The brand manager should passionately enjoy his journey and results of building a great, successful brand, whether through awareness or trials or repeats. In brand sales, the sales manager and the salesman must look forward for the next day eagerly to go ahead and get more sales, more customers, more availability, more and more visibility, more and more market share, more profit. And while doing so, he should enjoy the process. Like I enjoyed the arati with the hope that I will be nearer to God, and what I enjoy, I should continue to enjoy and reap profits. The issue is this feeling of enjoyment, as in arati, is a big thing. Enjoying to bat, enjoying to sell, and enjoying to live teaches us a big thing. It teaches us, do not do things as if it is a burden or a task. We never do arati in such a manner. Do not do things artificially with a mask. Do things wholeheartedly. Good work is something that we like to do and enjoy doing. In cricket, when a good batsman scores more, he enjoys his batting and tries to get more and more to make his team win. The bowler is also happy when he gets wickets one by one. Similarly, in the field of sales field, one should enjoy achieving committed to target and win the customer's heart. A good hitter always enjoys to hit a good ball. Like every salesperson should enjoy his job. He should hit the problems and face them with confidence. Hence, there is an analogy to the arati that we enjoyed and this element of marketing hue. Thanks. We'll meet again shortly.